Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word swaggered. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After scoring the winning goal, he swaggered off the field with a confident grin on his face. Swaggered means to walk or behave in a very confident and arrogant manner, often characterized by a noticeable and exaggerated display of confidence and self-assurance. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.